interrupt the current broadcasting to bring you a local area emergency. All broadcast and cable systems will transmit this message. Important news and information will follow. About 3 minutes ago, an angel arrived on Hollywood Boulevard in West Los Angeles. Upon arrival, the angel was attacked by hordes of infected, and 2 soldiers were confirmed to be missing in action. All citizens near a 100-mile radius should be on alert of infected near their area. Do not go outdoors without proper protection, armament, or without a group. Remember to take shelter at all times if you are unarmed and have family with you that is also unarmed. Please wait until the arrival of another angel unit. Please remember to shut off all heating and ventilation systems, as the virus can also spread by air. Do not consume any drinks you might find while out in the city, as they might be contaminated with the virus as well. If you find any food, please make sure it is packaged and has not been opened under any circumstances. Avoid all food or consumables that have been opened. The next angel will arrive in approximately 2 to 3 days. The Federal Emergency Management Agency would like to remind the population that certain stations will continue to broadcast news and information to their assigned areas. This is KDF 40 with a local area emergency. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this area, please tune to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles and greater Los Angeles area.
We have returned, sir. Greetings, Private. Where are the others? Sir, they, unfortunately, were caught by the infected once we arrived on Hollywood Boulevard. We couldn't rescue them on time. Well, I suppose you'll lose some in the process of having to rescue some people. They at least died for their country, and will remember their honor and dignity. Private, go tell the families the news. Tell them that we deeply apologize. Yes, sir.
We interrupt the current broadcasting to bring you this emergency action notification. This is a national emergency. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. Important news and information will follow.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Good morning, my fellow Americans. It is with the heaviest of hearts that I report to the American people that the U.S. military and I have come to a decision that was rather hard to make, but was the only option we had available to us. Starting next week, on May 29th, the military will begin deploying nuclear weapons to these following cities where infected are known to dwell in high numbers. The cities are San Diego, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Phoenix, New York City, Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, Miami, New Orleans, Orlando, Seattle, Detroit, Pittsburgh, Boston, and Virginia Beach. These once wonderful cities that were America's most popular tourist destinations will sadly have to be left to the history books. It is the best we can do as your government to protect our citizens. Worry not, however, as with your help and survival, we can rebuild America to its prosperous state once again. I understand that some of you might see this as a decision that came out of left field, but we had debating this for weeks on end. I did not want it to come to this, however, we didn't have any other options left to us at our disposal. It is with my sincerest apologies, my fellow Americans, that I come to deliver terrible news. I hope you have a wonderful day, knowing that tomorrow might be better, and America will soon return. Thank you.
That was the President of the United States, speaking from the White House. As you just heard, starting on May 29th, the United States military will begin deploying nuclear weapons to the following cities: San Diego, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Phoenix, New York City, Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, Miami, New Orleans, Orlando, Seattle, Detroit, Pittsburgh, Boston, and Virginia Beach. The United States military will begin deploying Angel units starting tomorrow to evacuate any remaining survivors in the cities that were just mentioned. The Angels are expected to arrive at around 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the West Coast, 12 p.m. on the East Coast, and 10 a.m. in the central United States. Please stay tuned to this station for further news and information regarding the evacuation process. Please remember to continue to stay sheltered, and do not go outdoors unless it is necessary. If you're going outdoors, please remember to be heavily armored and be armed. It is also recommended by FEMA to go out with a group and not by yourself. The Federal Emergency Management Agency would like to remind citizens that all stations will broadcast this emergency action notification. This is KDF 40 with an emergency action notification. This message will repeat in approximately 1 minute.